Students, today we will do workbook exercise. So this is your workbook. Open page number 17, block number 19, moving air. So students, today we will do S3, direction of the wind. As I already explained you in the reading part that wind vane and wind soak are used to know the direction of wind, and things are moving in the direction in which wind is blowing. Things हमेशा कौन सी डायरेक्शन में मूव करती है? जिस डायरेक्शन में विंड ब्लो कर रही है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, how will you use a balloon to show the direction in which wind is moving? How will you show the direction in which wind is moving? So students, write with me. Hold the thread. Okay, they are filled with air. Balloons are filled with air. Okay, so hold the thread and leave the balloon free. Okay, hold the balloons, hold the thread and leave the balloon free. What will happen, students? It will flow in the direction of wind. It will flow in the direction of wind. Okay, students, come to question number 2. Draw the tool used to find out the direction of the wind and name it. Here I draw wind vane. This diagram is of wind vane. मैंने यहाँ पे कौन सा ड्रॉ किया है? कौन सा टूल ड्रॉ किया है? विंड वेन. एंड विंड वेन ऑलवेज पॉइंट टुवर्ड द डायरेक्शन फ्रॉम वेयर विंड इज कमिंग. जो विंड वे का एरो है वो ऑलवेज कहाँ पॉइंट करेगा? फ्रॉम द डायरेक्शन विंड इज कमिंग. ओके, वहां पे एरो करेगा. सो दिस इज अ विंड वेन. कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Draw arrow to show the direction in which the wind is blowing. Okay, students. So where the wind is blowing? Yes. Clothes are moving in this direction. It means wind is moving in this direction. Okay, and kite is moving in this direction. So write with me. Things always moves in the direction of the wind flow. Okay, things always move in the direction of the wind flow. Okay, because the wind pushes the things, okay, from behind. Okay, students, so things are always moving in the direction of wind, and two tools which are using for knowing the direction of wind are wind vane and weather soak. Okay, so students, yes, do this workbook exercise and we will meet in the next class. Bye, take care.